Hi, I just decided to buy some flash for my Sony A7S III camera, and this why I ordered this one from Godox V860 S. It's like S for Sony, and I would like see what is inside, and I will show it to you how the package coming to me. And I will be honest, I read a lot of bad referral online about the problem with hot shoe, but I will see. I decide to buy it because I really need the flash very soon, and I hope so will survive my trip to the auto show. Okay, let's go opening and check what is inside. You can see this is the soft diffuser. Right here we have the stand for the flash. Right here I can see it's charging cable. Right here this is the plug, and this is the stand for charging. And right here we have the battery. And what is next? Next is the Godox papers. Right here we have the V860 the information about the product, what we can definitely use. No we, but me and probably anybody who buy. Right here it's some I'm not sure for you, but it's have some zippers and tape. I hope so it's for something, some attachment. And the last one looks like it's the flash himself. Yes, nothing inside the box. And let me open the flash, and we will see what is inside. The flash looks definitely pretty nice. I like the head. You can turn it because this is what I really need many times, and will be really helpful. I like this attachment, because this is for wide angle when used with flash, and looks pretty good. Oops, something dropped for the camera. Let me find out. Oh, it was just hot shoe cover. Maybe when I grab the flash, I slides down, and this is the lock for the camera. And what I saw online, many people have really problem with this part. It's so 4 screw, and it's replaceable, but the people what talk about that have the problem. I don't know if this is probably it's new hot shoe, because the older one it was plastic, and this one looks like it's metal. I hope so will work for me, and I will let you know very soon. And let me just try found how is everything working, and we will see. Oh, and yeah, I will talk about this later, because it's a lot of things I would like to talk about. And for now it's enough, and let's go try how is everything working. You can see here is my a Godox Flash V860 3S for my Sony camera, and let me check how it's working. Something I will try it before I put on my camera, because I cannot do right now for you because the camera is really making the video. Let me open just the battery first. The battery is a Godox VB26A, and let me check how it's working. Yes, it's supposed to be this way in. It's sliding it really perfectly. Right here I have to unlock this if I want to remove the small cover, and after that I can really lock it. I can use it, the flash on the side with extension cable, or when I am using with other stuff wirelessly. And let me check it out if it's working. Let me turn on. Yes, it's working. And let me check out what is everything. It looks pretty familiar to me with my other Canon flash. And let me try how it's working. You can see this. This is, oh yeah, this is the modeling light, and you can see it's coming. It have like 10 position, and it's definitely working better if you cannot focus sometimes. It's definitely helpful, and I believe in some dark area it will be really helpful. Let me turn it off. Okay, because I have to go really back to 0, and now I'm really off. Great stuff. Zoom. Okay, what is next? Model zoom. You can change the zoom manually, if you can see. I hope so, yes. And it's coming from 20mm up to 200mm, which is really great, because sometimes I need even in 200mm, and this will be definitely very helpful. How you can see, the battery is charging right away from the factory, and this body is good because it's almost half. This is the test flash. If you push the button, you can see the camera, the flash is working. And let me change the zoom to automatic, because this, when I move, it's supposed to be in the manual. You can see the changing, but if I go to TTL auto, it will change, depends on my camera setting. Really great. These two buttons, I know, if I'm correct, you can go back to factory setup if you really need. You have to just push the two buttons, and this will return you to the back to the factory setup. What is the next? What I really right here, if you need really fast changes, I'm not sure if it's visible, you can go from manual to auto, just sliding this button. And now I am in TTL auto, and if I go down, I am in manual. This is definitely great because it's really fast. You don't have to looking inside the camera, the flash setup, and this definitely will help. It'll help in many situations. You can also change the camera setting right here. If you go to the circle, and you can change from TTL. You can go manually to mode, to multi-A, TTL, and manual autofocus. It's really good. How I said, you can do right here, or also you can do it straight right here with the button. Definitely great. If depends, if you're looking for something what can work for you, you definitely have a choice. Other button here is, let's say, in its synchronization. This you can set up how many hertz you want, the speed for flashes, and A7 S2, I'm not sure what is this for, but I will find out. You can use this flash same like receiver or transmitter unit if you have two flashes, and this is really great. You can set up 3 or more flashes, what is definitely great, because you can really make for people who are doing events like wedding or party. It's definitely helpful if you have 2 or 3 flashes like that, and good for any other photography things. Even if you work in studio, it definitely will be really helpful. Let me find out what is this. If I'm correct, it was like you people who work with flashes, it's like soft box for your big flash. Oops, not. It's coming on, and this help you make the lights softer if you need to diffuse the lights, and this is definitely great. We can see the light is definitely diffused, and this is less diffused. Definitely helpful small things, especially when you need soft lights. Attaching to the camera is really similar like attaching to this small stand. It's exactly same. You have to put it in, and after you in, you have to lock the flash on the camera, and that's it. It's definitely pretty easy so far. I hope so will survive some events, because so far I really like it. Everything looks really easy, and really looks everything pretty solid, I have to say.